record. Yeah. Very good evening, everyone. And we are here today in Samarthya Foundation signature program in Swayam series for parents, children without disabilities, all the children in yoga session. I'm Harshali Kharche. I'm the founder and director of Sneak Rehab Foundation. And this is brought to you by Samarthya Foundation. Uh, Dr. Shivani Pandit, she is the founder and the special educator, founder of Samarthya Foundation and special educator. She is not here today, but we'll be taking ahead this. And we have to present this yoga session, we have Hygia with us. So Manpreet and
Today we just have Manpreet, ma'am.
Okay, today we just have Manpreet. Okay, that's great. I forgot the second name. Very sorry. She'll be doing your this yoga session. And over to Sakshi. You want to say something? You can say.
No, so thank you. I just wanted to thank all the parents who have joined us today. And I hope that you all have a very refreshing session with Manpreet today. So I'll hand over to Manpreet now. And yes, Manpreet, you can take it ahead. I'll stop the screen share. I'll also put you on spotlight.
Thank you so much, Sakshi and Harshali ma'am. It's always been a pleasure to be associated with both the organizations who are working for such a great cause, and for everybody who is there in the session. Welcome to the session again. I am Manpreet Kaur and I'll be taking the session for the day. So the flow for the session, let me just elaborate you about that. कि आज का session कैसा होगा and what have I planned for you guys today. We would start with a normal prayer just to kickstart the session on a positive note. Then we would move on to a little stretching exercises and warm up just to open up our bodies a little, just to give that kickstart to our joints to be prepared for the session ahead. And in the later half of the session, it's a bit of a surprise and something very different from that we have done in our last two sessions. What we have for today is mindfulness activities or exercises rather. We would be doing certain things which are called mindfulness exercises, and I would be elaborating you all about what it is when we do it. Okay, so are we ready for the session? If I can just get a thumbs up, or maybe you can unmute yourselves and cheer a little so we can start the session.
Yes, Manpreet.
You can switch on your cameras also if you're doing, yoga with us, with Manpreet.
Yes.
We would like to see you.
So the ones who are comfortable can put on their cameras ताकि हम आप सबको देख सकें, and we know that you are doing it correctly. ताकि आप कुछ भी गलतियां करें तो we can correct you over there. So only the ones who are comfortable, there's no compulsion, but it would be great if you could turn on your camera.
Yes, and just one more thing to add, that we are not going to share this personal activity sessions on YouTube or anywhere. So you can come do it. Yeah. Thank you. Over to you, Manpreet.
Thank you. So are we ready for the session? Come on, guys.
Yes.
Okay. So I want everybody to sit in a comfortable position. किसी भी comfortable position में बैठ जाइए. It could be just folding your legs, keeping your back straight, and we are good to go. Okay, so I assume that everybody is sitting in a good, comfortable position. Put your hands in a Dhyan Mudra, wherein your index finger and your thumb are touching each other. And keep both your hands on your knees. Keep your back straight. Hunched nahi hona chahiye aapka back. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths together. मैं counts दूंगी. You have to take a deep breath on each count and leave it. Okay. 1. Take a deep breath and exhale. 2. Exhale. One last time. 3. And exhale. Join your hands for the prayer. Prayer के लिए अपने हाथ जोड़ लीजिए. We would chant Gayatri mantra for 3 times. If you want to unmute yourselves and pray together, you can do that as well. अगर आप लोग unmute करके सबके साथ prayer बोलना चाहते हैं, तो आप लोग भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, close your eyes, join your hands, and Om Bhurbhuvasvah Tatsravituर्वरेण्यं Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvah Tatsravituर्वरेण्यं Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvah Tatsravituर्वरेण्यं Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bow down. नीचे झुक जाइए. Come back. Rub your hands. Place it on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Okay. Now we start with some warm-up exercises. थोड़ा सा warm-up करेंगे before we move on to the other activities. Okay. Starting with your neck. It goes to the right first. पूरा stretch होना चाहिए. And then left. Okay. We do it together for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one, 8. Okay. Now your neck goes up and down. Okay. Up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one, 8. Relax, come back to the normal position. Now your neck goes towards the right, you face towards your right side, and then left. Right, left. Continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one, 8. Come back to the normal. We move on to neck rotation. Pehle clockwise, then anti-clockwise. So you go from right to left. Okay. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One last time. 8. Reverse anti-clockwise from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one last time, 8. Okay. Relax, come back to the normal position. अब अपने लेफ्ट हैंड से अपने गर्दन को लेफ्ट की तरफ पुल करना है. So you place your left hand on your right cheek and you pull it towards the left side. Okay? Pull and hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, release. From the other side, your right hand on your left cheek. Pull your neck towards the right side and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, release. Now you have to join your hands like this. अपने thumb की help से you have to push your neck up. Okay, you have to push your neck up and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. Now interlock your fingers. Place it on your head and push your neck down. Push it down and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Relax. Come back to the normal position. अब अपने दोनों हाथों को शोल्डर लेवल पे खोल लीजिए. Straight. Stretch it out as much as you can. And move it up and down. Your palms are facing the floor. आपके palms नीचे की तरफ होंगे and move your hands up and down for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now your palms facing upwards towards the ceiling. Again, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now your palms facing in front. आगे पीछे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Facing backwards. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, hold there. हाथ नीचे नहीं लेने हैं. Elbows straight and rotate. Slowly rotate your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly take your hands down and relax. Relax your hands. Shake them a little if you want. अब अपने दोनों हाथों को आगे लीजिए and rotate your wrist in clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Palms in front. अपने हाथों की हथेली सामने की तरफ. And move them up and up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, relax. Now you have to move your shoulders. The shoulders move करने हैं backwards. Okay, it goes backwards. आपके shoulders पीछे की तरफ open होते हैं. Okay, we do the 8 counts together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. अब आगे की तरफ. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Relax. Now we move ahead. Please stand up. जहां पर भी हैं आप लोग थोड़ा खड़े हो जाइए. Hands on your waist, feet together, पैर एक साथ, हाथ कमर पे, and we go right to left. Okay, don't bend your knees. Knees straight रहेंगे, back straight रहेगा, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Reverse from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, relax. Hands on your knees. Bend your knees a little. Bend your knees a little. And knee rotation from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Reverse. 1, left to right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Come back to normal. अब अपना right leg ऊपर उठाना है. How much ever you can. जितना भी, इतना, it's fine. And you have to rotate your ankle. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, relax. Next leg up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Come back to the normal position. Now you have to take your right hand up and bend down on your left side. Okay? जो आपका right hand है वो कानों के पास रहेगा when you bend down to the left side and hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Next side, left hand up and bend on your right side. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Now stretch your both hands up. Your heels up as well. जितना हो सके अपनी body को ऊपर की तरफ खींचिए. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heels नीचे and slowly go down. Try to touch the floor. Keep swinging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Come down, come up, sorry. And sit in a comfortable position.
Good evening, ma'am. It's very nice to learn from you. Can we have a recording for this or for a small kid I have with autism?
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't get you.
Yeah, ma'am, we need to get a recording for our kids to practice it. Is it possible?
So, ma'am, we are recording this session, but maybe Harshali ma'am could take this.
No. We are not sharing recordings of this session because of this is like private activity sessions. So we are not providing recording. Sorry for this.
Okay, Harshali ma'am, that's okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. So, अगर आप लोगों को पानी पीना है, you can take a sip of water right now so that we can move ahead. You can relax for 1 minute, take a sip of water if you want, and then we'll move ahead. Okay. So, are we good? So, for this part of the session, I would request everybody to put on their videos if it's possible, because this is going to be an interactive session and I want you all to, give your inputs and talk to each other and have something to say. So if it's possible, please turn on your videos. Okay. So what I have planned for this session is something which is known as mindfulness. I want you all to imagine a magic pill, ek dawai, which probably gives you happiness, peace of mind. It helps you live happily and in a healthy way. It improves your creativity and all those things. How much would you all like to pay for that magic pill or that medicine if ever given a chance to do so? Any answers for that? अगर ऐसा कोई भी चीज हो जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा खुशी देता है, आपकी creativity improve करता है, आपको peace of mind देता है, how much on an average would you like to pay for it? Okay, I would rather pay a lot if it gives me happiness and creativity. But then what if I told you that it is something that is free of cost, or if you could get that magic pill for free, that magic pill is known as mindfulness. Okay, Ritu says 80%. Okay, cool. So
it's priceless actually.
it is. So that's what I said. If you could get something like that free of cost and something that you can consume every single day, how about that? It sounds good, right? So that very pill is known as mindfulness. When I say mindfulness, it basically means that it is a mental state. It is a state of your mind wherein you gather all of your thoughts in the present moment. आप अपने सिर्फ present पे focus करते हो. You do not think about what happened in the past or what is going to happen in the future. आप अपने present पे focus करते हो. So that is what we are gonna do today. We are just gonna be happy in the present moment and do certain activities that would help us to be more aware and more happy. Okay. The first activity is gonna be focus activity or focus exercise. I want everybody to grab something which is around in your room or kuch bhi. Maybe I have this bottle with me. So grab something for yourself or aake fir se baith jao. Get something for yourself, or if there are two people who are attending together, you can get something for yourself. Give me a thumbs up when you are ready with the object. Okay, Kalyan Rao is ready. Shobha Merlin is also ready. I see Ekta Dhawan ready. Okay, Ritu ma'am, pillow would also work. Perfect. Rohit says yes. All right, I think everybody is ready with an object. I'll be playing a music for 2 to 3 minutes. And now what I want you all to do is, उस object पे आपको इतना ज़्यादा focus करना है. You have to feel it. You have to sense it. उसका texture कैसा है. Every single detail. Analyze it in a very good way. Okay, when I will be playing this music, I will stop the music. The whole purpose of doing this activity is you have to be present and you have to see. You have to focus it on like you focus on your baby or your child. Okay, notice everything that you can and just feel it. I would be sharing the music and I would stop it when we'll be done. Okay. Okay, we are good to go. We have 3 minutes to do this. Just feel your object, look at it, focus on it. If there is something written, if it's a bottle, read it every detail and analyze it. Okay. So how did that make us feel? And if somebody got to learn anything from it, अगर आपने इस छोटी सी एक्टिविटी से कुछ सीखा, you can share it with everybody who's here. And then I would say that what do I learn from this activity? अगर आप लोगों को कुछ शेयर करना है एक दूसरे के साथ, you are free to unmute yourselves and talk about it. Anybody? Okay, I'll tell you what do I. Yes, Shobha ma'am, you had to say something. Ekta ma'am, right?
Yeah, ma'am, this is to control the anxiety and you can say perception is there, perceiving the object, correlating it, and to get into focused, you can get focused, put all your concentration.
So, yes, exactly.
Something,
yeah,
you
something.
Are absolutely right on that, Ekta ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Shobha ma'am, you were saying something. I'm sorry you were interrupted. Shobha ma'am. Okay, no worries.
Hello?
If you wish, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sorry, some technical problem.
No worries.
What that madam said is correct. No, it gives more focus and more attention and concentration. Also, it gives more relaxation.
Correct. So this activity actually explains us that there are a lot of things around us, but what we have to do as a person is to focus on just one aspect of our life at a time. अपना पूरा ध्यान आपको किसी एक चीज पे लगाना है, so that you give your best to analyze that situation or that thing. And what that does is आपका ध्यान आपकी लाइफ में जो दूसरी चीजें हैं उससे डाइवर्ट करता है. And when you focus on one thing, you do it completely, it makes you feel happy from the inside. Because you do it with much more efficiency. Now, somebody had a pillow with them, right? You were just thinking about the comfort that pillow gives you, how soft that pillow is, how do you feel when you sleep on that pillow. So that when applied to life, you would know that if you just focus on one thing, it improves your concentration, as Ekta ma'am said. It makes you more efficient. It helps in problem solving. It helps you to make decisions quicker. So this little activities helps us to understand all of these things. Okay, so I really appreciate Ekta ma'am and Shobha ma'am to share their views about this activity. We'll move on to the second activity now. Is everybody in and with me? Thumbs up or maybe yes or something.
Ma'am, anything else you can guide us for our ASD children, like anything else to focus related to mindfulness? Anything else you...
Yeah, so the activities that we are doing today could be implemented, but towards the end of the session, I'll be giving 2 to 3 exercises that can be practiced on a daily basis. So it is not just for the children with disabilities, but for anybody in your family that can be practiced together. Okay? Okay. Ma'am, I guess you're on mute, so I can't hear you. If you're saying something.
I just want to clarify it that he is 16 and he is with seizure also. So okay. How to relax him? We are giving him medicines, but some
exercises.
Yes.
Ma'am, I do have a few tips which are noted down with me, which I'll be sharing with everyone in a while, if that's okay. You can make a note of it later. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on to the second exercise then. It's called body scan, for which I want everybody to lay down on their back. If that's possible for you, please lay down on your back. I'll be playing a soft music for everyone and I'll be instructing as the music proceeds. आपको मेरे instructions follow करने हैं when we are doing that. Okay? Lay down on your back, everyone, and close your eyes. Just keep focusing on your breath. अपने feet के बल लेना है आप सबको. Close your eyes. Focus on your breath. Just feel your breath. Now when I say body scan, आप अपनी पूरी body को scan करेंगे from your root of your hair till the tip of your toe. But मैं जैसे जैसे बोलूँगी वैसे वैसे. Just relax yourself, focus on your breath. Breathe with your hair. Focus on your hair, the roots of your hair. Breathe with your forehead. Relax your forehead. Your eyebrows. Feel your eyebrows. Relax it. Gradually move on to your eyelids. अपने eyelids को relax कीजिए, अपने eyes को relax कीजिए. आंखें बंद ही रहेंगी, सांसों पे ध्यान देना है. Move to your cheekbones. आपके cheekbones को relax कीजिए. Your nose, feel your nose, the way you take your breathe in and out from your nose. Your lips, feel your lips. Your chin. Relax your face and your chin. Move down to your neck. Relax your neck. Feel it. Feel the little vibration in your neck, your throat. Relax your shoulders. Keep feeling your breathe. Relax your chest, your lungs. Feel your lungs. कैसे सांस अंदर आ रही है तो आपके lungs pump up होते हैं. जब सांसें बाहर जाती हैं, your lungs contract. Move on to your arms. Relax your arms. Let them loose. Your stomach. Your lower abdomen. Relax yourself. Feel your hips. Relax them. Your thighs. Loosen up your thighs. Just relax yourself. Feel your breathe. the tip of your toes. Feel the air that passes from your nose to your lungs and gradually in your entire body. Scan your body one last time from the top till the bottom, part by part, and just relax yourself. Focus on your breathing. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Feel the aura around you. Feel how happy you are and how grateful you are to your body. And just relax. Move towards your right side की तरफ मुड़ के उठ जाइए धीरे से. So, how did you feel about that? Anybody who would like to share how did they feel about themselves, their body? Were you stressed? Was there anything that was crossing your mind?
Unmute करो उसको. Unmute करो. Unmute करो. Unmute करो.
Yes, Ekta ma'am, you had something to share.
मैम अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा है.
मैम अब सुनाई दे रहा है.
अच्छा, अक्षती बताएगा मैम, इसने किया था. अक्षत बताओ कैसे लग रहा है, कैसे लग रहा है बताओ. हाँ,
हैप्पी
हैप्पी. अच्छा, और कैसा लग रहा है करके?
रिलैक्स.
रिलैक्स हो गया. मैम इज रिलैक्स. थैंक यू. Thank you to ma'am. Yeah, gratitude. Thanks, Bolo. Good. It's feeling good, ma'am. Thanks.
That's great. Also, I see Rohit saying he was feeling relaxed and happy. Exactly. Yeah. So that was actually the purpose of this activity, that you scan your entire body. You make each and every body part free from all the disturbance, all the worries, all the stress that you have. So this is something that you can practice every night. रात को सोने से पहले for 5 to 10 minutes practice this exercise. There are a lot of soft music on YouTube or other applications that help you focus. अगर म्यूजिक के बिना आप फोकस कर सकते हैं, nothing like it, बहुत अच्छी बात है. तब आपको सिर्फ अपने सांसों की आवाज को फील करना है. You have to feel how you take your breath in and out and feel the music of it. If external music helps you to relax, very good. You can use that as well. If you want, I can circulate a few links for good mindfulness music audios on our groups, and you can that can help you all as well. Okay. So moving on to the last exercise for the day. Now here I would again want you all to speak. All right. It is a very small activity, but it is called 5 senses technique. Okay. We have 5 senses in our bodies, right? Our eyes, our nose, our tongue, our skin, and our ears. So we are going to practice the 5 senses techniques now. Now, one by one, anybody of y'all who want to volunteer, आप ये चीज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? I want somebody to volunteer for the first thing. Who would like to come first? Anybody can volunteer. You don't have to do a lot. आपको सिर्फ 5 चीजें मुझे बतानी है. That's it. मुझे क्या सबको बतानी है? Who wants to go first? Maybe Sakshi or Harshali ma'am can also do this.
How can I help you, Mantri?
Perfect. So Sakshi, you have to tell me 5 things that you can see right now in front of you, in your room or anything around. 5 of the things that you can see right now.
Okay, so I can see the trees out of my window. I can see the hill. I can see lots of papers stuck around on my wall. I can see a TV monitor and a computer monitor.
Okay.
I can see a calendar.
Okay. That comes to 5.
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you, Sakshi. Who's next? Who wants to go next?
बताओ अक्षय. हाँ बताओ मैम को बताओ.
हेलो. हाउस नंबर.
Kalyan Raoji. Okay, Akshay, you can go after Kalyan. Okay, that would work. Okay.
Yes.
So Kalyan Raoji, you have to tell me 4 things that you can feel right now. 4 things that you can feel.
Okay. I can see trees from my window, and I am sitting in a room where my son's these toys are there, and papers are there, and I can see outside one car is parked.
Okay, so you can see these things. What is it that you can feel right now? I said 4 things that you can feel.
Okay. So what I can feel now, lovely breeze of air from the tree I am getting.
Okay.
Okay, that is one feeling. Whatever my son does the activities, I can feel with his toys.
Okay.
These are the 2 I am getting.
Okay, 2 more. Anything that you are feeling about the session, maybe?
Session, it's very relaxing.
Okay.
The music was very soothing. So would like to do as much as possible daily.
So you are feeling happy. Since you said you want to do it daily, that means that is making you feel happy. So those are 4 feelings that you got right now. Okay. Next up is Akshay. Okay, Akshay, you have to tell me 3 things that you can hear right now. 3 चीजें जो आप अभी सुन सकते हो.
बताओ क्या क्या सुन सकते हो?
3 here.
हाँ बताओ.
मैम की आवाज.
मैम की आवाज सुन रहा है.
Okay, smart.
और
मन की आवाज.
मन की आवाज, अपने मन की आवाज.
Oh, wow. Okay, 2 and 1 more.
हाउस.
और
फैन की आवाज. मम्मा की आवाज.
और ऊपर क्या क्या सुन रहा है? और रूम में देख के बताओ. फैन की आवाज. ऊपर फैन. हाँ जी.
Okay, that was lovely. So the 3 things that Akshay hear right now is my voice, अपने मन की आवाज और फैन की आवाज.
मैम आपको याद रख लिया, मेरे को भूल गया. आई एम फीलिंग प्राउड.
मम्मा की आवाज नहीं सुनाई दी अक्षय?
नहीं मम्मा अच्छी नहीं लगती है.
Okay. Who's next? Who wants to volunteer?
मैम मम्मा बोलती है ये करो वो करो ना, इसलिए अच्छी नहीं लगती है.
We just have 2 more things to do. Who wants to go next? Harshali ma'am, would you like to do something?
Yes. Yeah. Go ahead.
You have to tell me 2 things that you can smell right now.
Okay. I have a tea in my hand, so I can smell the tea.
Ooh, lovely.
Yes.
And what else?
Most appropriate time right now. Then many other smells I can in the air. I mean something good smells like अगरबत्ती चल रही है तो इधर से तो वो आ रही है अभी के लिए कुछ खाने की खुशबू आ रही है from right now I can I mean can smell three things.
Okay, that is lovely, Harshali ma'am. So she can smell tea and some amazing fragrances from the agarbatti. Last one thing to go. Who wants to volunteer? I can do that if nobody is in. So the one thing that's left is something that you can taste right now. Anybody?
Any one taste?
Yes, ma'am. That you can taste right now. You can feel
dates. Dates.
Sorry?
Dates. I can feel dates. Dates.
Dates. So you are eating dates right now?
Before I had, so that tastes in my mouth.
You still have the aftertaste of it.
Yes.
Okay, that was lovely. Thank you, Shobha ma'am. So what was this activity for? The 5 senses. What this makes you do is, आपका हर sense organ is activated. So I asked Sakshi the 5 things that she can see right now. I asked somebody about the 4 things. Kalyan Rao sir shared the 4 things that he can feel right now. Correct? It could be a feeling from the inside or something externally as well. Maybe there was a mosquito bite. You know, you got a mosquito bite right now. You can feel that itch. So that activates your skin ka feeling, your feel organ for the things that you felt right now. Then somebody shared about the 3 things that Akshay was able to hear at that point of time. 2 things that Harshali ma'am could, smell at that point of time, and 1 thing that Shobha ma'am could taste at that point of time. Now, this is something that you can do anywhere, right? Maybe you've gone out in a shopping mall and you sit down in a lane, or maybe you are waiting in a lane. Practice this 5 sense techniques. It will help you. Or maybe you are in a traffic, you are driving back home, or you are driving to somewhere. Practice this 5 sense techniques and it will activate your sense organs and hence lead to mindfulness. Okay. Those were the 3 major activities that we did today for mindfulness. Just to give you a brief of all that we did was focus exercise, wherein we focused on one object around you, which can be done every single day if you want to improve your concentration. You can also do a thing is that you can mark a circle, a small little circle or a dot on the wall, and you can focus on that. So it need not be a physical object, but a dot as well. Second we did was body scan, wherein we scanned our entire body from top to bottom and relaxed ourselves. And the third one that we did today was 5 sense techniques, wherein we activated our sense organs. Okay. So any doubts in these 3 activities that we did today? Anything that you want to clarify या किसी चीज में कोई doubt था? I would be happy to answer them.
Yeah, ma'am. This is the wonderful session for 3 techniques. Really, I enjoyed your sessions. But I want to have ask one question. If
Yes,
the person is anger and mood or frustration, which technique can be useful for apply in this 3? That
so,
is for
right. So focus exercise is something that you can do to control your anger issues, because it makes you feel more calm, and you know it brings your minds and the thoughts of your one second. I'm sorry. So as I said, for anger issues and anxiety issues as well, focus exercise is something that can be practiced, because what it does is आपके दिमाग में जितने भी thoughts चल रहे हैं, it comes down to one position and you can just focus on one single thing. Now when you are angry, what you can focus on is yourself. ठीक है, खुद पे focus कीजिए and analyze your behavior. Why are you doing it? What is the reason behind being so angry? And maybe that is something that can help you to control your anger.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Anything else that?
Ma'am, I have a question for Akshat. Yeah. Like he irrelevant, he talks. What is to be done for that? Like something not related to the topic, something irrelevant, he keeps on talking.
Okay. So ma'am, what can be done is mindfulness is not just about these 3 exercises. There are many things to do in it except for these exercises. Now, very good technique for that is meditation or breathing exercises. Something that brings calmness to him so that he doesn't, उसका mind किसी और चीजों में ज़्यादा ना जाए, or he doesn't keep on talking about other things. What he can do is practice different breathing exercises that we have done in the previous 2 sessions as well. And if you want, I can cover that again for the next session that we would have. Different types of breathing exercises that can be done.
That will really help us, ma'am. That will really help us.
I'll take that forward. I'll put down a few breathing exercises for the next session. What next can be done is daily intentions is what we say. What does that mean is maybe you all in the family, this is not just for Akshay but for everybody. Daily intentions means everybody in the family maybe prays together or has lunch and dinner together, and we talk about something which is very happening and it gives you joy. Make a point of not talking about what's going wrong in our lives. For example, COVID or something which is very negative or something is not good or fine. Make sure you talk about happy things when you are together. The entire family maybe eats together or play games together, prays together. That is something that can be taken forward by everybody to, make you feel happy. And last, one thing which can be done by everybody, especially the parents, is gratefulness journal. What does that mean? Is you have a page or maybe a diary wherein you write down 1 or 2 things out of the entire day that made you feel grateful for that day. It could be something as simple as I woke up early today, or I made something really special for my child today, or if there's a kid who's doing it, they can write that I went out and played with my friends which made me feel happy. It could be something as simple as that, and you journal it down. Now what this does is it gives you more reasons to be happy. Okay, आप हर रोज वो चीजें ढूंढेंगे और करेंगे जिससे आपको बहुत ज्यादा खुशी मिलती है. So these little things can help you be happy and present in the moment and make the most of the time that you have with yourself and your family. So that was it from my side. If Sakshi or Harshali ma'am has something to add, or anybody from the crowd has something to add that can help anybody else, the floor is open for you if you want to share anything.
Manpreet, I think we had another question in the chat box that says, ma'am, can you tell me good exercise for better sleep for my special needs child?
Can you tell me exercise for better sleep for me? Ma'am, again, breathing exercises right before you sleep, or the full body scan that I said, it helps in a good sleep as well. So what the full body scan does is it makes you feel very relaxed, and that helps in a good sleep cycle as well.
Ma'am, what about that you were saying at the last, you will give some tips for some special exercises for seizures?
Ma'am, these were the things that I said, the daily intentions, breathing exercises. Also something that can be done is getting out in nature. So of course, since the pandemic and lockdown, it is not really possible for us to go out and have a walk. But what can be done from our homes is maybe sitting in front of a window, or if you have a balcony, just gaze at the sky, or you have plants around, just focus on them. That is something that can also be helpful.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Mrs. Raman, I would be sharing the links to the music shortly, right after the session. I'll do that.
Okay.
Anything? Yes, Sakshi.
No, I was just trying to see if you have any more questions.
So,
okay.
Anything else, or are we good to close?
Looks like we are good to close.
Yeah, I think, yeah, we can take, I mean, we can stop here. We can, no questions. So we can stop here. I hope everybody is enjoyed today's session, and thank you, Manpreet. I mean, really wonderful session. I mean, in this pandemic, we need such kind of relaxing because of a lot of stress is going on. So thank you so much. Thank you, Manpreet. Thank you, Sakshi, and thank you, parents, for joining in. We will do this session again next month on the last Sunday, same time.
We'll be sending in the poster any details for the month, the next session next month. So thank you so much, Manpreet, for such a wonderful session. Thank you, Harshali ma'am, and thank you all parents. And we hope to see you all soon again next month.
Thanks, Karo. Say thank you.
Manpreet, you can share whatever information you shared, you can share in group. Okay.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Manpreet ji.
Thank you. Okay. Bye, Sakshi. Bye, ma'am. Bye, everyone.
Bye. I'll end the meeting. Thanks. Bye.